Hello fellas, let's get started with the Makita battery, 6 amps, 18 volts, and it's blinking lights. That's no problem for us, you will see that later in the end of the video. Taking our multimeter. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, what we have here, we have 3.5. Basically what we have here, 3.5. What we have here, 3.5. Here we don't have voltage because the pack is blocked. We will fix that later. Okay, but the program which I'm using to check the cells is showing that some of the cell packs are 1.5 volts. So I want to find out which ones. Okay, you can see 3.5, 3.5. Here you have the paper. You have scratch at it and 3.5, 3.5. Okay, here's 3.5, 3.5. .5, 3.5 and 3.5. So all terminals of the battery, they are really dirty. I will try to clean them out. Okay, got some dirt from them. Okay, I think I have spotted the problem. The plate here is just moving. So as you can see, this one is not moving. This one is not moving. Moving is only this one. So I will try to solder it like that to get the contact back again. Okay, now I will try to hold the screen that you can see it. You can read the battery mode. Yep, you can see that the battery is unlocked. You can read the battery data. We have all the cells the same. So charging out 81. And clear. Reset messages and real errors. You can read the battery info again. Here still shows unlocked, so disconnect it. Now we need to take it to the charger. Okay, just taking it to the charger, and we can see that the battery is charging. Thank you for watching and thumbs up. Bye.